Come here, Bear. You got a kitty? She's like, no, don't go by the fire. Cat's like, leave me the hell alone, little kid.
Not in the fire.
She's how you get burned. Hey, Daniel, that's poison oak right there.
Where?
What you just walked through? Hurry up, jump in the pool, hurry up. Steven's got it on his face. Yeah, you got poison oak all over your face.
That means you're saying my face is ugly.
What?
That means you're saying my face is ugly.
Well, it's something, all right. Kitty, kitty, meow. Uh-oh, that's not a good sign.
And then it's the first one to bite the sword.
She put the cat on the table.
Yeah.
Meet Smokey.
Smokey.
I just gave him the name.
Whoa.
Is that the mama? She's okay. Leave her alone.
Capricorn.
Michaela, you ready to go night-night? You go in your bed.
Michaela, let go before it bites you.
Michaela, go to your room.
Michaela, leave the kitty alone. See, I can keep a fire going. I can't start one though.
That's what you got me for. I'll start it and you just keep throwing logs on it. And Bear will come and eat all the food, huh? But you a bear
Is that a
dog.
different kitten?
Come here, baby. Bear.
No, the one behind
Come
you on
here,
the
Bear.
ground.
Come here, Bear.